I'm Oleksii, and here is something most people don't know about DevOps engineers. We are actually problem-solving addicts, and I've got it pretty bad. But here is what makes me different. I don't do what's asked. I look for ways to bring the value to my team, to the business, to everyone around me. When someone says, this is impossible, I see an opportunity to make things better for everyone involved. Over 8 years, I rose from a curious engineer from Ukraine to someone who can both solve complex technical challenges and lead teams to do the same. But whether I'm hands on building solutions or leading other engineers, my goal is always the same: go beyond expectations to create real value. But let me show you what I mean by bringing value beyond expectations. When team were spending 10 minutes every time something broke just to find the right logs, I could have said that's just how it is. Instead, I saw an opportunity to help. So I built them a tool that cut that to 30 seconds. There is what happened next. And this shows my approach to everything. First, I freed up hours of my own time, which meant I could focus on optimizing other processes and tackling more complex challenges. But then I shared this solution with the team. Mm, They were happy. Suddenly, the entire team had more time for what actually matters: building new features, improving quality, focusing on innovation instead of firefighting. And here is the cascading effect. When your team can move faster and focus on their value for the world, your product gets better, your customers get better experience, your business wins. That's how I approach every challenge. I don't just solve my problem. I look for solutions that create value for myself, then my team, then the business, because I believe the best engineers are not just executors who do exactly what's asked. We are value multipliers. Or when I was part of the team working with a healthcare company and saw them managing client data with Excel sheets during our project meetings, I could have said that's not my job, or that's how they have always done it. But I saw people struggling with inefficient processes. So I took initiative and built them a complete CRM system from scratch as a transformation in their daily operations, when they could focus on patients instead of paperwork. That's exactly the kind of value I'm talking about. Going beyond the brief to help people work better. Throughout my career, I, I've had the privilege of leading both technical implementations and teams. I've presented solutions to hundreds of professionals at tech conferences, earned multiple cloud certifications, and consistently stayed in the top of global technical challenges. But what I'm most proud of goes beyond individual achievements. Being a part of team that maintained a rock solid infrastructure reliable over 8 years, because real engineers is not just about building cool stuff. It's about creating systems that people can depend on day after day. My philosophy comes down to this: solve problems first, then worry about the tech stack. But more importantly, never just do the minimum. I constantly look the ways to create value that helps my team work smarter and drives better business outcomes. Whether it's Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Python, or Kubernetes, the tool follows the problem, and the solution always aims to benefit everyone involved. Do I know everything? Absolutely not. Last month, I encountered a tool I never used, but here is what I learned. The willingness to figure things out is more valuable than knowing everything up front. What excites me about the future? We are just scratching the surface of what's possible when AI meets infrastructure. I want to be a part of building that future, not just watching it happen. So, if you are looking for someone who does not just execute tasks, but actively seeks the ways to bring value to your team, business, someone who sees challenges as opportunities to help everyone, work better and achieve more, then let's talk about what we can build together. If you want to see more, if you want to see how I think and what I build, visit devopsdive.com. It's where I document my approach to creating solutions that help team and business thrive. Because the way to understand an engineer is not to throw a resume, it's throw the value they can choose to create. I'm Oleksii, and I'm ready to help your team and business achieve more than you expected.